Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shilpi Lahoti. I'm a cardiologist presently working in JNRC Dispur. Today we are here to put a limelight on a very important organ of our body, which is the heart. And as a cardiologist, it's both an honor as well as a big responsibility to discuss on this very important topic today. And we all know that cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of mortality all over the world, and it is affecting millions of lives globally. But the important thing and the good part is most of these diseases are preventable if we follow certain lifestyle changes, as well as if we have the knowledge about the disease. So there are many causes which are preventable, like for example, high blood pressure, high diabetes. Patients suffering from diabetes, if they don't control their sugar, they are at a very high risk of developing this disease. Then again, high cholesterol, smoking, sedentary lifestyle, and having a very sort of unhealthy food habits. These are all preventable factors, and these can be very, very important in preventing heart diseases. So there are simple measures which we should adapt to, like firstly, if we adapt to a very healthy eating habit, like if we have a well-balanced diet of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins and whole grains, and if we learn to avoid processed food, unsaturated bad fats, we should avoid that. And also sugars are also very bad for our body. Secondly, if we exercise regularly, I always recommend patients to at least go for 45 minutes to 1 hour of daily exercise, at least 5 days a week, which is very, very important. Thirdly, quitting smoking and all the kind of recreational drug which is used these days. It is very important for us to quit those, and also moderate the amount of alcohol which we are taking. It is very important that we know that what is the amount which we should take, which is not going to be harmful. But for smoking, it should be entirely, we should quit it. Fourthly, if we it is very important for us to get our regular checkup done, like get the BP checkup. Almost like every yearly we should at least once get our BP checked for a normal patient, then get our cholesterol levels checked, get our diabetes checked, and all these can really prevent heart diseases. One more important fact to prevent heart disease is actually to know what are the symptoms of heart disease, because many of the times we ignore those symptoms and we land up into trouble. So it is very important that if we have chest pain, breathing difficulty, palpitation, any kind of giddiness or any kind of fall, it is important that instead of calling our family doctor or our friends and family, the most important thing is to rush to the neighboring hospitals, so that we can detect these diseases early, and early detection is the key to save lives. So if we follow these certain rules, we can save the lives of ours, we can save our lives as well as lives of our loved ones. Thank you.